Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Masha J. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chicken, sausage, and shrimp gumbo with your own roux. The first thing is heating up a pan, preferably one with a black coating, to start cooking the roux, which is the base of the gumbo that gives your gumbo color. You want to take at least a cup of flour and add it to the heated pan. Place your pan to medium-high heat, but not too hot. As you can see, you should start stirring it all around the pan. I like using a whisk better to break up the flour. Depending on how high your heat is, this process takes about 10 minutes. It's better not to rush your roux. Be sure to keep an eye on it so you don't burn it. You'll know when it's finished when it goes from white to brown. Now preheat your oven to 450 degrees for your chicken. I'm using chicken wings. To prep your wings, you will rinse and season. I don't measure the seasoning out. I just really sprinkle however much I feel comfortable with. I added a little flour to help the meat brown and crisp up. Season both sides of the meat. I like to cover the entire surface of the meat to have a feeling of that's enough. You'll need to dice red, green, yellow, and orange bell peppers and a yellow onion. Place the diced peppers and onions in with the chicken, and you will also drop some in your water. This is where you need to get out your gumbo pot, fill it with water. Not too much because you might end up like me and have to scoop water out when it's time to add all of your protein. Set your pot hot enough to get the water boiling. So whenever you make your own roux, you're making a gumbo from scratch. Since the base of the gumbo is brown flour and water, you'll need to add other seasonings to give it flavor. I used garlic and onion powder, McCormick roasted garlic and herb, gumbo filet, ginger, cayenne pepper, Tony's Creole seasoning, Old Bay, and turmeric. When your water starts boiling, add your roux. You'll need to stir or whisk it really well so that it can combine with no clumps. Season your water. I also added a little minced garlic and paprika and even a pinch of cumin. Gumbo is something you definitely should taste as you cook it. I do season my meat and gumbo water with the same seasonings. Be sure to occasionally stir the pot as you continue cooking. Now I'm checking and flipping the chicken wings. Let them cook for another half hour. Moving on to the next protein prep, cut up your sausage. I'm using down-home sausage with green onions. I do cook my sausage down before putting it in the gumbo, just until they have a little crispiness. Checking on the chicken again, it's ready, so now I'm going to add it to my water along with the sausage. As you can see, I have too much water and I don't want to just pour it out because I'll lose seasoning that way. So I just use my measuring cup to scoop some juice out. Try not to take out any bell peppers. I do pour the chicken broth into the water also. I enjoy sweet potatoes with my gumbo. I like to cut them up and bake them. I season them with vanilla extract, honey, grapeseed oil, cinnamon, brown sugar, and add a little water. Sometimes I do add nutmeg. Now I'm going to cook my rice. I like jasmine rice. I'm not an expert at cooking rice. Sometimes I get it just right, and others I'm close to right. At this point, the gumbo is cooking down. You want to let it cook for at least 45 minutes with all ingredients, and don't forget to stir it every now and then. Taste it to see what it needs. Prep your shrimp, cleaning, peeling, and seasoning. Dump them in. Stir and let it cook down. When the shrimp are pink and curled up, they're done. They don't take too long to cook. Taste it again for flavor. Once it's cooked, fix your rice and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Till next time, peace.